actually. In fact, hopefully it's gonna turn out well. Hopefully it's gonna be good. Let's get cracking. Now it's time to chop up the broccoli. And a little tip, to always keep your fingers curled when using a knife and cutting. Now that we're done with the carrots, it's cheese time. Now we're gonna grate the cheese. Grate the cheese, grate the cheese. Let's go, everybody. Grate the cheese, grate the cheese. Okay, let's literally grate the cheese. Alright, this is Daddy, and he is our garbage disposal.
/ onion aficionado. I don't know.
Yes. So, Daddy, what would you like to say to the crowd before you start?
I like cutting onions.
Okay, take it away, Daddy. Alright, now we're gonna mince the garlic. So how you do that is you take one of these cloves, right? There's this special garlic mincer. You just pop that right in there, just like that. And then you gotta push really, really hard. Now we're going to saute the onions, the garlic, the powder, and the butter all into this pot.
Yummy.
Tell us what you think.
Delicious.
Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't seen this video, please leave a like and subscribe, and please check it out because we're gonna do some more videos on like desserts and stuff. So go check that out, and thank you for watching. Bye.